I've been messing about with MCPREP yesterday and today, and this is what I got so far. A guy walking. It's called Steve, if you already know. And yeah, let's see what it looks like in a render. Render animation might take a while. Machine not super fast. It's dual CPU, so let's see. 39 frames done. Let's render view animation. There you go. There's my guy walking. I've got a feeling there's a lot of things I need to do to get it to be super smooth and perfect. But for what I've done so far and the experience I got, I think this is great. Obviously, it's going to take a while to make it better. Try and add more. The guy is on this in a plane, nothing else added. See if I can add what do you call it, a Minecraft world, and make him walk. See what happens. Yeah, this is my short video on animating a Minecraft character. I guess it can go with any character as long as it's got a rig, bones and stuff. And yeah, simple player, MCPREP. Don't know how to use it. You can just add any character. Using Steve because I've downloaded and to hide. Let's check this out in render view. No face. What happened to his face? No eyes, no nothing. That's Alex. And it crashed.